Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you are unable to install carx Street in your iPhone and you're facing this pop-up again and again and you are unable to install this app in your iPhone. So as here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So first of all, open settings in your device, and from here you have to open your general section in your settings. So guys, after this tap on software update and check if there is any update available for you. So I simply update it, and after this go back and from here tap on iPhone storage and check your iPhone storage. If it is full, then delete some useless apps in your iPhone, and after this go back and tap on date and time and turn on set automatically in your iPhone. So guys, after this go back and tap on language and region and select your country or region according to your debit or credit card or where are you living right now. So as after this, scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management and check if there is any connected VPN. Then you have to simply disconnect it. So as after this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings in your device, and after this force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I force restart the device after doing all the settings in your iPhone, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.